welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to do my US kitchen tour and my America kitchen tour. So in my previous video I showed you my Indian kitchen. People like it very much, so thank you very much. Now I'm going to do my US kitchen tour and I'm going to show you how my US kitchen is different from India kitchen. So let's move into the video and see my US kitchen. As you can see मेरे पीछे भी दिख रही है आपको my US kitchen. तो चलिए मैं कैमरा टर्न करती हूँ और दिखाती हूँ आपको अपनी US kitchen को. My microwave, and this is a glass top gas, and we have oven here in the down, and I make cake like before 2 days ago or like yesterday, I don't remember. So in US we have generally microwave here on the top of the gas and oven here. So this is a microwave and that is a oven. This is a microwave and we can turn it on like that. And here in US I kept this spice box here. I like this is very much. This is pizza seasoning says, and what is that, parsley, crushed mint, rosemary, basil. They all have like American seasoning as well here in this spice box. And this is my tea and sugar to make the tea. Indians, they like tea a lot, so I kept it there. And that one is my Indian spice box. Earlier it used to stick on my fridge, but this fridge is stainless steel, so I cannot stick it here, so that's why I'm keeping it there. This is spice box. And I'm going to show you my pressure cooker. Not a pressure cooker, I think similar like Insta cook pot. I'm cooking egg right now in this. And this is my air fryer. So if sometime I want to do some air fry, I use this one. And this is changeable toast maker. So apart from that, I'm going to show you my drawers and my kitchen pantry. I will start from my kitchen pantry. So this is my kitchen pantry, and we kept our Indian snack and dry fruits here, potato, tomatoes, our atta. And next, so next I'm going to show you my this drawer. And this drawer, as you are seeing now, earlier it was very much messy, and my all spoon and balan and big paltas, they all are like inorganized. So I bought the organizer from outside from the store, and one is metal one and other one is plastic one you are seeing in this image. So the plastic one is very much good, like it has detachable sheet, so I can detach it and attach it, and I can wash it very easily. And after using this one, you can see my drawer is well organized now, and I am very much happy. So using these drawers as well, this organizer as well. And the other one, the other organizer I bought, I think one from Dollar Tree and other one is from Target, the metal one. So organizer are very useful in your kitchen. So I'm showing you this drawer. This drawer I'm using it for keeping my lids and some extra stuff. This one I'm keeping it here like my cutter board and my roll pins. The other drawers I'm using it for kitchen clothes and foil papers. And the other one I'm going to show you, this one I'm using to keep some extra thing, household things. If I find something valuable, my hands free or my specs, so I will just keep it here. So now I'm going to show you where I kept my big vessels or big burtan. So I bought one organizer. This one I bought from LD. So I have like 5-6 tawa. I'm making like dosa, so I use different one. If I'm doing baking like cake, so I will use different ones, so I just organize it here. And this drawer I'm using for extra dinner set and big pans, kadhai. So we recently bought this toaster, so I kept the empty box here. So here, so our main Indian food is here. I used to cook the dal, ghee and semolina chana. Used to eat in the morning. So I like this big shelves very much. And this one, another one, it's little bit messy. It have like glasses, extra glasses, cup and that one have extra cooker. So here my egg is done right now. I'm going to cancel it. So this is again for small things like coffee and pickle, glucon-D. So this is one more shelf and one more is here. So I kept extra glasses, cup, plates. We used to wash the dishes. So now it's empty. We'll put the dish in the night. So I will show you how I kept my dishes there. So this is my dishwasher here for washing the dishes. So I have my dirty dishes in my sink, so I will just rinse those, and I will keep small glasses, small cup and bowls into the top section. As you can see, I'm just keeping all of the glasses and all of the small cup on the top layer, and on the bottom layer we used to keep our plates or big vessel. So if we have like bigona type, so we will keep it down. So I'm just keeping here at the bottom all the plates here. So dishwasher is very common in USA because here maid is not very common. So we have like dishwasher in each and every home. So this is very useful. This useful machine here. So we use it nicely at the night time. What I'll do, I'll just keep all my dishes there, and now I'm going to put that is a dishwasher soap kind of thing, and I'm keeping it there, and I'm just closing it, and I will set it to the eco. So I run it into the eco-friendly mode. So that is also very good mode. So now I showed you how I use my dishwasher. If we want some water, we can take it from here as well, water and ice. It's a dispenser, right? This is the freezer side if we want to freeze something. So my kids, they love ice cream. Nowadays we are eating lots of ice cream. This is a new one, and I love mango, so I kept mango ice cream here. You can find mango in my house very easily. Even this ice cream cone is also very nice. In the winter also we are eating ice cream, so we are ice cream lovers. And here is a cake, egg, the other section of my freeze to keeping all of the thing, vegetables, fruits. So if you want to see the mango in my kitchen, it's here.